Today we're viewing a certified pre-owned 2016 Honda CRV EX. It's urban titanium metallic in color. It's got 12,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. Got your wind deflectors here. It is equipped with sunroof. Okay. Got your lock unlock button here on the door handles. The driver's side of the CRV is in great shape. Alright, it does have rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. It does have the lock unlock button here on the passenger door handle as well. You got your blind spot monitoring camera right there. Alright, everything in really good shape. Once again, it's a 16, it's certified, 12,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black and beige door panels. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have your blind spot monitoring camera button right here. Your econ button. Floor mats look good. Beige cloth seating with power driver's seat. Alright, driver's seat's in great shape. There's another shot of the sunroof for you. Got the armrest storage here with the HDMI, USB, and power outlet. 2 keyless entry key fobs. Got another power outlet there with the heated seats. Okay. Passenger seat is in great shape. Alright, no problem there. Does have the automatic transmission, push button start. Got your climate control area here. Radio display, backup camera, blind spot monitoring camera will all be displayed right here, and we'll show you that in just a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 12,330 miles. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you this upper display right here. It's your radio display. It's got your time, coordinates. Then this lower one has all the apps on here. Okay. Let's go ahead and activate the backup camera. And it's going to be on this lower display screen. Okay, you can change the angle right here, but it does have the guidelines on there. Get it back to your home screen. This is your blind spot monitoring camera, and it is a visual of your blind spot. So when you're going down the road, you hit the turn signals, you'll be able to see it's a safety feature that Honda offers. Okay. Let's go ahead and hop out. Take a look at the back. Alright, door panels here are in good shape. Back seat carpet down there, nice and clean, no stains. Back seat cloth is in really good shape. Well taken care of. 12,000 miles. Okay. Center armrest comes down, got the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, it's a 2016, 12,000 miles. Interior and exterior well taken care of. Nice plastic protector mat here. Got the spare tire and jack underneath. Okay, got the cargo net here. Nice sunshade. Okay, and it's got handles on either side. You simply pull the handle, the seats are going to fall down for you. Alright, and if you take that sunshade out, you can really see how much space it opens up back here. Okay, seats are light but very durable. You can simply just pull them back up, click them into place. Same thing here, just click it back into place. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got 17-inch alloys. Alright, tires are in great shape. Alright, once again, it's a 2016. It's certified. It's got 12,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in fantastic shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.